Hi, everyone. It's MARTA Loachamin. I am a candidate for Boulder County Commissioner, and you are joining the Resiliency in Action, another segment. Today, I am with Russ Chandler, who I met through Cyclists for Community in Boulder, and he's going to share a little bit about how do we take care of ourselves from a health standpoint right now with COVID. So, Russ, thank you for joining us from the shop.
Thank you, Marta. Thanks for inviting me on here. We're trying to do what we can at the shop to do the social distancing as well. We limit the number of people here, and then we're encouraging my staff to keep their faces covered. Nobody here is ill, but we want everybody to feel comfortable, both the staff and the customers. It's an important time for everybody to really respect that personal space.
Right, absolutely. So you are also considered essential business, and we talked just a little bit about why health is so important right now, mental and also physical health. So what can you give us as far as tips for how to still cycle, how to still support your small business, but also be, like you said, be responsible right now with social distancing?
Yeah, well, if taken to the extreme, staying in your house all the time would, I suppose, be the safest thing to do. But I don't think that's smart to do in the long run, and I don't think that it ultimately helps anybody's health if you do that entirely and never leave the house at all. So fortunately, we live in a state and we have a governor who is actually still encouraging outdoor activities, including cycling and running and walking and the like. And there's really two elements of cycling that are very important. One is that part of it, the being active, being healthy, getting fresh air, getting vitamin D, and then the other one is simply transportation. I mean, a lot of people need to get around. They have to go to work. They have to help a loved one. They have to work at a grocery store. They may not have a car. It's not a great time to get on public transportation necessarily if you can avoid it. So bike is a really essential piece of life right now for I think everybody. And we're seeing a lot of people come up, just to people who you just need to get a flat fix and just need to get their bike going, and that's one of the reasons that we're here.
Yeah. So tell me this. So I'm just somebody out in the public, and I do need to check in and get something fixed or repaired on my bike. I do want to go out after the snow leaves today and go just physically take care of myself. So right now people can't just go over to the store, or how are you suggesting they contact you?
So actually, as an essential business, we've closed the store up to the general public. No one can enter the store without an employee walking them through and keeping them 6 feet away, and not having them not touch things, or things that they do touch get immediately washed down. But you can come down to the store. We have a pickup window actually on Pearl Street, so people will come up and we'll meet them there. If they need to buy something, buy some tubes, we'll sell it right out it's like a walk-up window sort of thing.
Okay, great. What's the phone number over there, Russ, if people have questions, like if I want to get something specific for my bike?
Absolutely. Our phone number is 303-440-1002, and we're on the website fullcyclebikes.com.
Awesome.
Have in stock or available to order is on that website.
Okay. Very good. Well, I want to thank you because I think it's a good reminder, and it's important. One, that people know you're an essential business. They can reach out. They can get some support or tips or help with their bikes, even during this COVID time, and that you're doing what you need to do to take care of your employees and also take care of yourself. So just want to say thanks for spending some time, and we appreciate it and wish you the best, and be smart and be safe and be well. Russ, thank you so much for joining us today.
All right, Marta, thank you. And thank you for all you're doing for the community right now.
Absolutely. Take care.
Bye.